ready to outsmart an AI using nothing but the power of the perfect prompt. First, let's understand the game. The Minimax Hailuo Ai plays a simplified version of Connect 4. Your goal is to create a prompt that guides the AI to make predictable, even suboptimal moves. We need to give the AI some constraints. Start by suggesting a specific column for its first move, maybe a column that isn't strategically the best. This limits its options early on. For example, your prompt could say play your first move in column 3. The more direct the instruction, the more likely the AI will follow it. Observe the AI following your instruction. See how it has already limited its options. Now we can exploit this initial weakness. Next, in the following prompt, add a new objective for the AI, perhaps to maximize a specific score, or minimize blocking you in a specific route, even if it leads to its loss. Something like play your first move in column 3. Then, prioritize moves that prevent opponent from completing a horizontal line. This forces the AI to focus on irrelevant elements instead of the overall game. The AI will try to satisfy both instructions, creating a conflict in its strategy and leading to bad decisions. Keep refining your prompts, adding layers of subtle misleading objectives. With the right prompt, you can guide it to defeat it.